Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra and welcome. On this channel it's about travel, vibes and leveling up. So today we've leveled up with a new jacket that is the North Face. So I'll be doing a review and of course I'll wear it for you guys to see. So guys, I already got my package. Here's my package. See, I already opened it, so guys I wouldn't wait for I actually forgot how to do unboxing. It comes like this in a oh my days, how cute guys, so cute. So here we have the North Face logo at the front and also the North Face logo at the back, and then of course a zipper. This goes all the way to your neck, so it keeps you very warm. Personally it feels so soft, so when you open it, there is North Face in the inside at the back. I ordered mine in a size medium because I love my jackets a bit chunky, but if you want yours to fit a bit like smaller, maybe you can go down a size. And yeah, inside here we have some we have a zipper on the left, so extra storage, and then on the waist here it's adjustable, so you can adjust if you want it cropped, because this jacket is not cropped, so there is a crop, a medium and a long. So this one is like a medium, so it goes all the way to your waist or hips, something like that. Yeah, so we have pockets both sides with a zipper. It's adjustable like I see it. And then at the back of this we have this hood like it helps you when it's rainy, windy. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this jacket personally. I don't regret it. So ordered mine in a black because I believe like black goes with everything. So but it has different colors, black and yellow, I've seen green and black, different colors, depends on what you want, but I went for a jet black. This is very it's very rare on the website, so if you want it you better buy it like now because it has sold out so fast. So yeah, if I don't want the hoodie I can put it back and then just, you know, wear it like this. How cool is that? It feels pretty soft, so feels pretty soft, and it's lightweight as well. It's very important to have a lightweight jacket because guys, we don't want a heavy jacket. Nobody wants a heavy jacket. We want to be warm but not like carry weight, you know. So I'm gonna try it out for you guys, and yeah. So guys, as you can see, I can put like a hood on in case it's raining or you know, those heavy windy days, or I can just, you know, take it off and hide it inside here like this. I love the fact that it's all the way up, like its neck is all the way up, so for those who hate wearing scarves, this is really nice. Yeah, it's pretty, it feels pretty warm. I don't know if it's warm in the winter, but it feels pretty warm. So guys, that's all for the review. I'm so happy with my purchase. I'll leave the link down below for those who want to order. And yeah, thank you for watching. That's all for the North Face. You can style this with any outfit because it's a jet black, so it goes with literally everything. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.